Once in Excel, we could enter our data into the spreadsheet. If it's not already selected, click on the cell A1. Using the keyboard, enter the word subject. Pressing enter, you'll move down the column. You can enter A, B, C, D, E, and F. Pressing enter after each entry to continue moving down. Using the cursor, move to B1, click, and start on the second column. You can enter the words age, years, press enter, and again move down the column, entering each value as you go. Finally, we can enter the values in the third column. Systolic blood pressure, and the units are milligrams of mercury. Pressing enter to move down the column, 128, 120, 135, 143, 141, and 152. To resize the columns, you can move your cursor between the boundaries until it turns into a bar with arrows going each way, and double click. This isn't necessary, but is a good trick to know because it makes your spreadsheet look a little bit tidier.